Just gonna run behind them.
Yeah, you
went. I put it up here on him because he had a stop right here, and then when he was running, it went around on this side.
right here.
Yeah, that works too. Yeah, that works. Get back by the cone, you fucking cheater.
Hey now. Just kind of going right into it, no warm up, so.
You're the combat wombat, you don't need warm-ups.
That's okay, you can get them after we pass the barrel. All right, let your rifle hang. Make sure it's gonna be okay. All right, cool. Combat wombat. Running the shootsteel.com run and gun at
Gold
the VSO
start.
gun range. No warm up.
First rounds of the day.
Shooter ready? Stand by. Oh. All right.
I like how he misses when he's using somebody else's ammo.
There we go.
All the way over there. Side of the building, side of the building.
Something didn't feel right. I am locked up, my trigger didn't reset.
Transition back.
Down. One each.
Trigger's not resetting. Yeah.
We gotta rack it all the way back. Lose that round. Lose that round. Lose the round. Miss, miss. No idea. Got it.
Trigger is not resetting on this weapon.
Cycle the bolt. Cycle the bolt. Don't complain about it.
Very nice. I'm dead.
Oh, this ought to be pretty.
Well, I got a hit on all of them. No idea. This weapon has been sitting in the safe for quite a while.
Pick up your rounds.
It wasn't very well lubed.
Check the rounds and get the.
Well, the trigger's not, the hammer's not resetting all the way. I think it's a lube issue.
It looks pretty wet.
Well, I just sprayed the bolt.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, that was a bad decision.
Well, it should be all right.
All right.
That may have something to do with it.
Excuses.
Exploration of the problem.
Low. Am I hitting it? No.
No.
Low.
Low. All right, we're gonna skip that target.
Hit. 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 On the corner. Got him. Transition. Got him. Two guys at the end of the range. Hit. 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 All four.
I only have 2 rounds.
Kill them both. Well, it takes a beating.
It was terrible.
That was about a 17-minute run.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, I don't know.
Fucking backwards? I don't think it is.
No. You got audio, Cody?
Or you could just not be a douche.
It's called the dude who's letting him borrow his gun a douche.
Yeah.
We're just gonna let you struggle for a few minutes. This is why we go to the gym.
No, it's also sharp as hell. I don't have any fucking gloves on. You're just being a...
Alright, let me show you how this works there, Wombat. You're gonna cut yourself.
Yeah, I'm gonna tear myself apart.
Watch this. So you take the handguard, index it in the front, right like this. Apply force, like
I
that.
have a bunch of grease on my hand.
Whenever you do AR-15 handguards, you should always do the front or the top first, because it's the hardest.
Oh, yeah, you're the expert.
Right like that. The bottom's easy, because it actually, you have to put the top on because this goes inside of the top. See that? Right like that.
Great, whatever, I don't care.
Need to go to the gym. Shooter ready? Stand by.
All right.
Hit. Hit.
That's it.
I guess you put a mag in your carrier.
Mag. You got a mag.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay. Hit. 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 There you go.
Sucks. Oh.
So what we have here, guys, is it is enough of the casing still exists to get hold. So we have two options. We can either forward assist the rifle. Okay, we have a dead cartridge. We're fully seated. We have the lips of the extractor fully on the casing now. We then take the gun, grip it here, and what we want to do is either hit it against our knee or off the ground. And at this point in time, it looks as though we have a split casing in here. And when we have a split casing like that, even the extractor may not be able to hold on to the back of the casing. So in this instance, we have to take a cleaning rod and extract the round out of the chamber manually. So we're gonna have to go get a cleaning rod, ram that round out of there, and then resume. Sorry, Doc, but looks like you're running somebody else's gun for a minute.